In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to download and install the Rockstar Games Launcher on your laptop. This process is simple and only takes a few minutes, so by the end, you'll be ready to access and play your favorite Rockstar titles easily. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the official OS Rockstar Games website by typing rockstargames.com into the address bar. Once the website loads, look towards the top of the homepage. You'll notice a yellow button labeled Get Launcher. Click on it to proceed. You'll now be redirected to the Rockstar Games Launcher download page. From here, click the Wiki Download for Windows button to start downloading the setup file. Depending on your internet speed, it might take a few moments for the file to fully download. When the download is complete, open your Plotron Downloads folder. Then double-click the installer file to begin the setup process. Once the installation window opens, select your preferred language, then click. Continue to move forward. The installer will show a short summary of what's about to be installed. After reviewing the information, click Continue again. Next, you'll be asked to agree to the White Terms of Service. It's always a good idea to review these details if you want to understand Rockstar's policies. Tick the box to accept the terms, and then click Continue to proceed. Before the installation begins, make sure you have at least 48 gigabytes of free storage space available. This ensures the launcher and your games will have enough room to install properly. If you'd like to install the launcher on a different drive, such as an external hard drive, simply click Browse and choose the preferred location. Once everything looks good, click Continue, and the installation will begin. The process may take a few minutes depending on your system speed. When it's done, you'll see a message confirming that the installation has finished. You can choose to launch the Rockstar Games Launcher immediately by checking the box that says Run Rockstar Games Launcher before closing the installer. Then click Be Close to complete the setup. When the launcher opens, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Rockstar Games account. If you already have one, enter your login details. If not, click the Create a New Account link to register for free. Having a Rockstar account allows you to manage your games, track achievements, and stay updated with Rockstar's latest releases. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Rockstar Games Launcher on your laptop. You can now browse your library, download games, and enjoy Rockstar titles directly from the launcher. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.